Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for interior designing business. So here let's assume that you are an interior designer and you are promoting your business by using Facebook lead ads. So here your objective is that whenever you will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ad, then you want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. So now to do this, you have to build an integration between these two applications, for which you can use this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So where your trigger application will be Facebook and your action application will be WhatsApp. So here to send the WhatsApp message, I am using Interact. You can use any other application as well. So to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads for interior designing business. So here let's say that I'm promoting my interior designing business with the help of Facebook lead ads. Now every time a new lead is received, then I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead. Now to do this, I will have to integrate these two applications, and the same thing can be done by using Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account, but if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and you will get 100 tasks for free every month. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. So this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. I have arrived on my dashboard, and to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I'm going to name it as send automated WhatsApp messages to Facebook leads. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as WhatsApp. So here I'm going to click on create. As I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action. So now moving to my use case, as I want to send automated WhatsApp message to Facebook leads. So here in my trigger window, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads as my trigger application because I'm promoting my business through it. So here I'm selecting it as Facebook lead ads. And the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I will receive a lead, then automatically this workflow is going to run. So here I'm going to select it. So here as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, now moving to my action window. As here I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to my leads. So here I'm going to use Interact to send the WhatsApp message. Here it is. And the action event will be send WhatsApp template message. So here you can see I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event along with the action application and the action event. So now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead. So now to do this, here first I have to establish the connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect, and to add a new connection, here I need to connect with Facebook lead ads. So I've already opened Facebook in one of my tabs and I've logged into my account. So here I'm going to click on connect, and you can see that the authorization was successful. So Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. Now moving to the page and the lead gen form. So here I will take you to my Facebook account, and this here is the page which I have created for my business. So the name of my page is Home Decor. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the page name as Home Decor. So here I'm going to search for my page, and here it is. And now here I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, you can see that these are the lead ads form that I have created for my page. So here I want to use this form, and this is how it looks like. So now I'm going to use this lead ad form, and the name of this lead ad form is looking for an interior designer new lead ads form. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select the same form. So here this is the form and I'm selecting it. So as I've selected the page and the lead gen form, so here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I did that, here you can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. which means now I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Now to do a test submission, I'm going to take you to Meta for Developers page. So here in this new tab, I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. Here it is. So now here I will be going to my apps, and now here I'm going to tools. So in tools, I'm going to scroll down and then I will go to lead ads RTO debug tool. So as I did that, so this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So over here, I'm going to select the page. So I'm scrolling down and searching for my page, and here it is. So as I've selected my page, now I'm going to select the form. So the form is this, and I'm going to select it. And now I'm going to click on preview form. So now here in this form, I need to fill in the details. So here I'm going to mention the email as demo@pablitudes.com and the full name as dummy user. And the phone number will be this. This is a dummy phone number. And now I'm going to click on next. And here I'm going to click on submit. And it says, thanks, you are all set. You can visit our website or exit the form now. So here I'm going to close this. And here you can see that your test lead has been sent. That means the details of this test lead would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to take you to my Pabbly Connect account. And here in the response received, you can see that I have received a response consisting the details like email, full name, phone number, created time, along with some other details. So that means the details of that lead which I have just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the response of that lead will be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the response of the test lead which I have created, so now as I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead, so here I'm going to click on connect. So now to establish a connection between Interact and Pabbly Connect, so here I'm going to add a new connection, and now I need to give the secret key. So read this instruction given below carefully because this will help you to find the secret key. So here I'm going to take you to my Interact account. And over here, I'm going to my profile, and now I will go to developer setting. And in developer setting, this is the secret key. So here I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste the same secret key over here, and then I will click on save. So here you can see that Interact is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So now moving to these details, that is country code, phone number, and full phone number. So over here, if you have received the full phone number, that means including with the country code, then you can mention the full phone number in this field. If you have received the country code separately and the phone number separately, so then you need to mention in these fields. So here in the response that I've received, so I've received it along with the country code. So it follows the proper format that is written over here. So I'm going to map the phone number from the response that I've received. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous steps. So here I'm going to map the full phone number. So now moving to template code name and the language code. So now I will take you to my Interact account, and here in templates, I have created a template by the name of new Facebook leads, and here the language code is EN. So now over here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to give the language code as EN. Once this is done, now I need to mention the template code name. So here in Interact, I will take you to the template. So this is the template which I have created. So the body goes as, Dear, thank you for reaching out to us. We have received your details. Our team will contact you within 2 hours. You can check out our website abc@pablitudes.com to know more about the services. Regards, marketing team. So this is the body. And now over here in this URL, this here is the template code. So here I'm going to copy the same, and in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste the same. So once this is done, Now moving to body variable values. So now here in this template you can see that this is a variable in curly braces. That means it will change accordingly as per the new response. So here in this curly bracket I want to mention the name of the lead. So here in body variable values I'm going to map the name. So here you can see that in this format as well. So over here in the first curly bracket there is name and in the second is the order number. So as in my template I only have one variable. So over here that variable is of the name. So I'm going to map the name and I have mapped it. That means now whenever I will receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then automatically this old lead name will be replaced with the new one and the workflow will run smoothly. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So scrolling down, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and it is a positive response. That means an automated WhatsApp message would have been sent to this test lead which I have created. So now I will take you to the WhatsApp message. So here you can see that an automated WhatsApp message has been sent to the lead. So here after dear you can see the name. And now here this is the content and over here it says the regards. So that means an automated WhatsApp message has been successfully sent to the lead. So this automation and integration was a successful one. Now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then an automated WhatsApp message will be sent to that lead by using Interact. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.